Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Veloster vs Mazda 3 hatchback full comparison. Follow along as we break down handling, interior features, fuel efficiency, and price to help you decide. I will highlight who benefits most from each car and point out common trade-offs like cabin space versus sporty styling. Listen for the quick recommendation at the end if you want a concise answer without technical deep dives. In this video, I will compare Hyundai Veloster vs Mazda 3 hatchback full comparison. Pay attention to acceleration, steering feedback, and chassis balance as we describe each car's driving personality. I will contrast turbocharged feel versus refined, naturally aspirated tuning and explain how suspension setup affects daily comfort and spirited driving. Expect clear examples of when one car beats the other on twisty roads and in city traffic. In this video, I will compare Hyundai Veloster vs Mazda 3 hatchback full comparison. Quick recommendation: if you like the lunch shown, consider leak-proof containers to simplify your commute meals and reduce spills during test drives. If this content helps you decide on a hatch, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful comparisons. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Hyundai Veloster vs Mazda 3 hatchback full comparison. Listen as we walk through seating comfort, cargo flexibility, and infotainment usability in everyday scenarios. I will point out where premium touches matter and where clever packaging wins for groceries or weekend gear. You will hear straightforward comparisons of cabin noise, visibility, and tech features that affect long drives and passenger comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.